Good morning, student. Now, the second kind of article, the. The, we can say that the is definite article because the article is referred to a particular person, place, or things. We can say that the refer to particular persons, things, or place. The article is used with both singular and plural noun. It means we can use here article the for singular noun as well as plural noun. Now we can say that the uses of article a. So we have to use here the article before the name of river, seas, ocean. Like first example, the Ganga is a holy river. So here Ganga is a name of river. So we have to write here before Ganga the. Then second example, the Arabian Sea is in the west of India. So here Arabian Sea is a name of seas. So we have to write the before Arabian Sea. Then Pacific is the largest ocean. So here Pacific is the name of ocean. So we have to write the before name of Pacific Ocean here. Then B. It means the uses of B. So before the name of mountain ranges and peak, remember it carefully. We have to write the article before the mountain ranges. We cannot use here um, article the before the one single mountain. We can use here the article before the mountain ranges. It means so many mountain altogether make the mountain ranges here. So one single mountain is there, so we cannot use the article, but mountain ranges is there and peaks are there, then we use here the article. So here the Himalayas have snow covered mountain. So Himalaya is made up of many mountain. So we use here the article before Himalayas. Then Everest. So we use here the Everest is the highest peak in the world. So here Everest is the names of peak. So we can use here the Everest here. Then C. Before the name of unique things in the world. There is only one unique things. So first example, the earth revolves around the sun. So we cannot see the another earth. So earth is unique thing. So we use here the earth. Then the sky looks like blue. So sky, we can see here one single sky only, and it is unique thing. We cannot make another sky. So the sky become unique thing. So we have to write the before sky. Then D, before the name of newspaper. It means whatever Gujarati newspaper is there, Hindi newspaper or Gujarati, Hindi or English newspaper is there. So we have to write the article before the names of newspaper. Like first example, my father reads the Times of India. So Times of India, Indian Express, both are English newspaper. So we have to write the article before the newspaper. Then second example, the Sandesh is a Gujarati newspaper. So Sandesh is the names of Sandesh Gujarat, names of newspaper. So we have to write the article before the names of newspaper. Then before the names of holy books. Holy books, it means religious books. We can also say that here, like a religious book. Like first example, the Gita is a holy book of the Hindu. So here the Gita, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharat are the names of holy books. So we have to use here the before the names of holy book. Then second example, the Ramayana was written by Valmiki. So Valmiki wrote here Ramayana, and Ramayana also a holy books of Hindu. So we have to write the Bible also. Bible is a holy books of Christian, and the Quran is a holy books of Muslim. So we have to use here the Bible, the Quran also like a holy books. Then before the names of well-known building and historical monuments. Before the names of well-known buildings and historical monuments. It means the unique things and well-known famous building. Well-known means famous building. Like we have visited the Taj Mahal last week. So here Taj Mahal is unique things and historical monuments. We include here in a historical monument. So Taj Mahal, we cannot see the another Taj Mahal in India. So we have to write here the Taj Mahal. Then India Gate is situated in New Delhi. So we have to use here the India Gate. It is a famous historical monument. So we have to write the India Gate, the Taj Mahal is a unique thing. The Qutub Minar, the Red Forts are the historical monuments of India. So we have to write the article before such a historical monuments. Then after before the particular person or thing, suppose we are referring to particular noun, we are talking about one single and particular noun, like the girls came here was my sister. So the girl come here, the girl that comes here, so no more girls comes here, but I am talking about one single girl who comes here and she is my sister. So I am talking about one particular person, so we have to write the before that particular girl. Then the mother cooks delicious food here. So I'm talking about my mother. My mother cooks delicious food. So I refer here my family member. More people are there in my family member, but among them I'm talking about my mother's only. So my mother is a one particular person. So I have to use the article before my mother. Then I lost the pen which my friend had given me. So the pen, more pens we have. A student need the pen, but I am talking about the pen which my friend had given me. The pen, that pen was given by my friend, so that pen I lost here. I am talking about the pen that my friend has given me. Then switch on the fan in your bedroom. So I am talking about fan. The fan is in your bedroom. So here the fan is a noun and the is a particular noun here. The fan is particular noun. So we have to write the fan here. Before the direction here, like the north, the south, the east, the west. So here the earth, the Delhi is in the north of India. So the north we have to write. The sun rises in the east. So we have to write before east here, and the sun, because the sun is a particular noun here. The sun rises in the east. So we have to write also the before the sun also. Then before the numbers, ordinal numbers are there. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, seventh. That numbers we have to write with the article. So I got the first rank. So before first we have to write the article. Then I sat on the third bench. So third is the numbers here. So we have to write the before third. Then before the names of desert. Before the names of desert. So here the camel is a sheep of the desert here. So we can see here one single animals there, and that is a camel. So camel is a sheep of desert here. So before desert we have to write the article. Then white desert is in the Kutch. So white desert, I am talking about white desert. So we have to write the white before the before white desert. Then one note is more important here. No article is used before any proper noun. Remember it carefully. No articles is used before any proper noun. It means we cannot use a, an or the before the proper noun. Proper noun means particular fixed name, like Rohit, Raj, Kamla, Neha, Riya. That names is particular names, like the particular names like Visnagar, also the names of city. Visnagar, Mehsana, Baroda, Surat, Ahmedabad, such kind of also names of cities. Like shop names also, like some products names also are included in a proper noun. So we cannot use before the or a and the article before the names of any proper noun. Thank you.